Alright, here's another products by Reverse Detailing Chemicals. This is an armor protectant para sa ating interior, no? Multi-purpose na rin to. Pwede na to gamitin sa ating upholstery, mapa-leather man yan, mapa-plastic, mapa-vinyl, or rubber. Pwede natin tong gamitin. And mabango to guys, nasubukan ko na. Tara, subukan natin i-apply. Kung makikita nyo guys, mapipreserve na ito yung kulay ng ating sasakyan, no? Yung kulay niya, yung interior. Okay, mapapangalagaan to sa init at hindi ng araw. Yung dashboard natin especially, kailangan malagyan natin to ng mga protectant dahil dito nakatirik yung araw minsan, di ba? So tara, apply natin. Pakita ko sa inyo, napakaganda gamitin nito. So pwede nyong i-direct or pwedeng dito na sa ating microfiber cloth. Ayan, mabango siya, di ba? Namoy mo. Amoy ano siya, amoy parang lotion. Pwede nyo rin gamitin to sa mga rubber gaya nito. Ito mga rubber na to. Ito, rubber din to. Lahat ng mga rubber pwede nyo gamitin para dagdag protectant, no? Sa araw, sa init. Ayan. So lahat ng plastic pwede nyo applyan. Then pwede rin to sa upholstery. Sa mga leather seat natin. Yan, kung makikita nyo, very shiny and mabango. Promise mabango to. Worth it buying to. Best buy tong product na to.
Yeah, yeah. There's a place where the sun hits the pavement and the world turns to glass in the morning light. With every swirl and shine, you can feel the enchantment. Like a river of dreams, running clear and bright. Oh, rivers detailing, you know how to gleam. With every drop of love you're making tires scream. In a world full of dirt, you're the cool, fresh breeze, making everything shine like it's meant to be. From the leather seats to the chrome that's reflecting, you're bringing out the beauty that's been hiding inside.